Hi guys, this is my 2008 Honda Accord and I'm having the same problem as most of the guys are having. It's a rattling noise at the startup and she goes away after 5 minutes or 3 minutes, depends on the temperature of outside. So I'm going to start the car for you. Let's see what happens. So temperature here is minus 14 or 15 something, minus 13. So this noise will go away after maybe 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So I was watching some guy's video here last night, and he was telling me that this noise will never go away, but in my case my noise will go away. And his problem was belt tensioner, the hydraulic belt tensioner. So I am going to replace my timing belt and all those components, but including water pump, and let's see what happens. If anybody has an idea what's going on, let me know. Thank you very much.